E Forest here. We're outside today. We are going to make something. Let's see. We're going to make a cat bookmark or a bunny bookmark. Interesting. And who's doing this today? Oh, we have Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte.
Hi.
Cool. How do we do this?
So what you'll need is like one strip of construction paper, whatever you color you want. We did brown.
Okay.
You'll
so where
need
is that?
what?
Where's your construction paper?
Oh, right here.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna do cat,
Cat.
but then you can do either one if you want.
Cool.
So first you need a piece of brown construction paper.
Yep.
And cut like either for bunny ears or for cat ears.
Okay.
Next, you need a white piece of rectangle paper.
Okay.
Just to make it a rectangle,
Yep.
piece of white. And also make it smaller than the bigger one,
Okay.
because that's going to be the belly.
Oh, yes.
And you can use tape or glue.
Okay.
I'm using glue because for me it looks better, because you don't see like the tape.
I see. You don't see the tape.
Anyways, then glue it almost in the middle because you need to make room for the face. I'm just going to glue it on the sides so it extra sticks down. Okay. After you glue it in the rectangle, you'll need a little two pieces of paper. One that looks like two sunny circles. Like if you cut it in half, looks like two big sunny circles.
Oh, okay. That goes for the feet.
Yep. And one piece of paper that looks like almost bunny ears.
Aha.
Almost looks like bunny ears.
And that's for
The
the
paws.
paws.
Yep. So get your pieces of paper and you'll need to glue them right. Pretend these are cut off.
Yep.
Then you need to glue them in the rectangle.
Oh,
No.
easy, easy, easy.
Yep. And then glue it right here. Okay. Next, you take the two sunny circle piece of paper
Mm-hmm.
and you glue it like almost like right at the bottom of it. Or if you want, you can just glue the whole thing with the page. If you want the page and your bookmark to be like
Yes.
in it,
Yes.
then you probably won't want to glue the whole thing. But I kind of glued the whole thing.
Okay.
So after
What's
that,
next?
After that, you can get googly eyes or you can draw eyes. I'm going to do the googly eyes. These googly eyes you can just stick on the paper. You don't have to like get glue
Ooh, that's nice.
to do it. After you put on the googly eyes, just get a rectangle piece of paper,
Mm-hmm.
pink or blue, or really any color.
Yes.
And
Something nice.
I'm gonna do pink. And just put the glue on it.
Oh, it's a collar. I see.
There you go. Okay. And then you will also need a little triangle. Just do this to glue it.
Cute nose. I know
And
about
then-
cute noses.
And then the mouth, you'll need
Just a marker.
just like I'm using a Sharpie, but you'll need really any marker you can find.
Oh, that's
And do a
cute.
little smile and whiskers.
And what do you put in the middle?
What do you
On
mean?
the white
Oh,
part.
Oh yeah. So you can write your name like this one. I wrote my name. You can write your name if you want, or just draw designs.
Oh,
I'm gonna write
that's
my
so
name for this
cute.
one.
And can you hold that up so we can all see it?
Yep.
Very cute.
Oh, and you can add the claws if you want.
Oh, the little lines at the end. the detailed touches. And you could use that for your favorite book, or just give it to somebody else as a gift. That's
For
a great
Easter.
idea, Charlotte. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
Bye.